Welcome to Health Miracles, where we explore the incredible power of food in promoting wellness and vitality. Join us on a journey through the world of nutrition as we uncover the remarkable benefits of incorporating anti-cancer foods into your diet. From colorful fruits and vegetables bursting with nutrients to the cancer-fighting properties of tomatoes, tea, and berries, discover how simple dietary choices can make a profound impact on your health. Let's embark on this transformative path together, embracing the potential of food as a tool for healing and prevention. Top anti-cancer foods you should eat. While no single food can guarantee protection against cancer, a well-balanced diet can play a significant role in reducing risk. The American Institute for Cancer Research advocates for the New American Plate approach, emphasizing a diet comprising at least 2/3 plant-based foods and no more than 1/3 animal protein. This balanced plate is recognized as a valuable tool in cancer prevention. Here, we explore optimal and suboptimal choices for your meals. Using colorful foods to fight cancer. Colorful fruits and veggies are packed with cancer-fighting nutrients. The more colorful they are, the more nutrients they have. Eating these foods not only helps lower your cancer risk but also helps you maintain a healthy weight. Being overweight raises the risk for many cancers. Aim for a variety of veggies, especially dark green, red, and orange ones. A cancer-fighting breakfast. Naturally found folate, a crucial B vitamin, could offer protection against colon, rectum, and breast cancers. A breakfast spread offers ample sources of this nutrient. Fortified cereals and whole wheat products, along with orange juice, melons, and strawberries, pack a folate punch. Boost your folate intake. Besides asparagus and eggs, folate is abundant in beans, sunflower seeds, and leafy greens such as spinach or romaine lettuce. While supplements are an option, the best source of folate is through a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and fortified grain products. For pregnant women or those planning pregnancy, a folic acid supplement is recommended to reduce the risk of certain birth defects. Say no to processed meats. While the occasional indulgence in a Reuben sandwich or hot dog is fine, reducing consumption of processed meats like bologna, ham, and hot dogs can lower the risk of colorectal and stomach cancers. Additionally, meats preserved by smoking or salt increase exposure to chemicals linked to cancer development. Cancer-fighting power of tomatoes. Some studies suggest that tomatoes, rich in lycopene, may reduce the risk of various cancers, including prostate cancer. Processed tomato products like juice, sauce, or paste are also linked to enhanced cancer-fighting properties. The potential of tea against cancer. While more research is needed, particularly in humans, green tea has shown promise in laboratory studies for its ability to slow or prevent cancer development in various cells, including those of the colon, liver, breast, and prostate. Longer-term studies hint at reduced risks for bladder, stomach, and pancreatic cancers. Grapes and their role in cancer prevention. Grapes, particularly purple and red varieties, contain resveratrol, known for its potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Laboratory studies suggest it can prevent cellular damage that triggers cancer. However, there's insufficient evidence to claim that consuming grapes, grape juice, wine, or supplements can prevent or treat cancer. Alcohol intake and cancer risk. Drinking alcohol is associated with increased risks of various cancers, including those of the mouth, throat, larynx, esophagus, liver, and breast. It may also elevate the risk of colon and rectal cancer. The American Cancer Society advises limiting alcohol consumption to no more than 2 drinks per day for men and 1 drink per day for women. Women with a higher risk of breast cancer should consult the doctor about safe alcohol limits based on individual risk factors. The protective power of water and fluids. In addition to quenching thirst, water may lower the risk of bladder cancer by diluting potential cancer-causing agents in the bladder. Increased fluid intake leads to more frequent urination, reducing the duration of contact between these agents and the bladder lining. The health benefits of beans. Beans, known for the nutritional value, also show promise in cancer prevention. They contain phytochemicals that protect cells from damage that could lead to cancer. Laboratory studies demonstrate that these substances slow tumor growth and prevent tumors from releasing harmful substances that damage nearby cells. The power of cruciferous vegetables against cancer. Broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage, Brussels sprouts, bok choy, and kale belong to the cruciferous vegetable family, adding flavor to stir-fries and salads. These veggies contain components that may help the body fight cancers like colon, breast, lung, and cervix. While lab studies show promise, human research results are mixed. Benefits of dark green leafy vegetables. Mustard greens, lettuce, kale, chicory, spinach, and chard are packed with fiber, folate, and carotenoids, offering protection against cancers of the mouth, larynx, pancreas, lung, skin, and stomach. Curcumin, a potential cancer fighter. Curcumin, found in turmeric, is being studied for its cancer-fighting potential. Lab studies suggest it can inhibit the growth and spread of cancer cells across various types. Human research is ongoing. Impact of cooking methods on cancer risk. Certain cooking methods, like frying, grilling, and broiling meat at high temperatures, can create chemicals that increase cancer risk. Stewing, braising, or steaming meat produce fewer of these chemicals. Enhance stewed meats with plenty of healthy vegetables for added benefits. The cancer-fighting potential of berries. Strawberries and raspberries contain ellagic acid, a powerful antioxidant that could combat cancer by deactivating certain cancer-causing substances and slowing cancer cell growth. While promising in lab studies, there's insufficient evidence to confirm its effectiveness in humans. Blueberries, a health boost. The antioxidants in blueberries offer potential health benefits, including cancer prevention, by neutralizing free radicals before they harm cells. While more research is needed, incorporating blueberries into your diet, whether on oatmeal, cereal, yogurt, or salads, can increase your intake of these beneficial berries. Avoiding excess sugar. While sugar itself may not directly cause cancer, its consumption may displace nutrient-rich foods that offer protection against cancer. Moreover, it contributes to calorie intake, potentially leading to overweight and obesity, which are cancer risk factors. Fruits provide a sweet, vitamin-rich alternative. The bottom line: aiming for a diet rich in colorful fruits, vegetables, beans, and whole grains while limiting processed meats, alcohol, and excess sugar can significantly reduce your risk of cancer. Incorporating a variety of cancer-fighting foods into your meals, along with healthy cooking methods, supports overall health and well-being. Remember, small dietary changes can make a big difference in cancer prevention and overall health. Thanks for watching this exploration of the incredible health benefits of anti-cancer foods. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to subscribe to Health Miracles for more insightful content on nutrition, wellness, and healthy living. Together, let's empower ourselves with knowledge and take proactive steps towards a healthier, happier life.